Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to do another video. Well, it's Thursday. I'm on CNBC.com, and the article is out. FAA clears Virgin Galactic after a competing investigation of Branson's spaceflight. Stock jumps 10%. So the FAA cleared Virgin Galactic to return to flights on Wednesday after a mishap investigation. We do know a few months ago, Branson took a flight, and upon landing, they took the different flight paths. So the FAA had to do investigation, and now that investigation is complete. So the stock has jumped, like the article has said, over 10%. And this is when the flight deviated on July 11th. So the flight went up okay to space, but when Branson re-entered orbit or Earth orbit, they made changes. So anyway, Virgin Galactic stock back up over 10%. And as you can see, the stock after 4:30 yesterday spiked up from $22 to $24 per share. This could be good news. This could be, headed to a new level, but we do not know for sure what else Virgin Galactic has in the pipeline. But if you look over the last 6 months, as you can see, back in July, the stock peaked at about $52, and it's been down. And, the bad news, and also there was no catalyst. Because basically the whole catalyst for 2021 was Branson was going to take this flight. He took the flight, plus the FAA approved of the flight. So that was all the good news that was pumped in during 2020 into 2021. He took the flight, the FAA approved of it, be one of the first rockets to go out into suborbits of space. After that, pretty much the stock whittled down, and also then the additional investigation. But we have to know when Virgin Galactic reports. That's starting to be an issue. Let's see, earnings. Let's see, Virgin Galactic next earnings report. Here. Oh, okay. Virgin Galactic's earning date, history, up and coming earnings date is November 4th. So that's the next time they report how much revenue they had for the quarter. You want to check that out. Should be coming up November 4th. So hopefully they keep good news in the pipeline as they approach the earnings date, how much revenue they did, etc. If you want additional forecast information on Virgin Galactic, what is thought by analysts, go to CNN Money forecast. Also, I'll leave the link below the video. But as you can see, Virgin Galactic, 11 analysts offer a 12-month price forecast on Virgin Galactic states the stock could get as high as $50. Now, we've seen that before, but it all depends on what happens on the earnings call, what future guidance they give for the next quarter, and what else they have in the pipeline. Now, if they take another flight, that could boost the stock again. But this stock is not really you're not going to see a whole lot of revenue, but you just see if they're improving from the previous quarter. Okay, so this is Virgin Galactic today. It is up additional 10% on news of the FAA clearing the investigation on Branson's last space flight. Okay, so on to my top stocks of the morning. As you can see, the market is recovering. Let's see here. CMG or Chipotle is up 0.39%, and Upstart is still up, and Apple is slightly up this morning. Let's see what else is going on. Smart Share Global is up 36%. Warby Parker is up 34%. So these are two stocks RobinHood is showing you. All right. Chinese electric car makers make their move on Europe. So that Tesla is up. I know Tesla reports earnings soon too, and I believe they did better than last quarter. Also, they did more sales, so that's good for Tesla. But it's talking about NIO as well. So Chinese electric car makers make their move on Europe. So that's good news there. All right, so let me get to my top stocks of the morning. Not a lot going on. We are about an hour from the market open. We are in pre-market. So let's take a quick look at my top stocks this morning. All right, as we talked about earlier, ticker symbol SBCE or Virgin Galactic is up 7.32%. Again, that is on news of the FAA clearing the way for space flight to continue. So that's good news for Virgin Galactic. Again, they're up 7.36%. They've been pummeled over the last 6 months due to they haven't had any really catalysts. I mean, other than the FAA approval in early May or June, and then Branson's flight. So I don't know what else they have in the bag. So we'll see. The earnings call again is November 4th, estimated November 4th. So we still got about a month to see if Virgin Galactic is going to bring up some good news and other items. Next ticker symbol we have is GBTC. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is up 5.14%. Again, this has to do with Bitcoin. And if we take a quick look at the charts over the last year, since October of last year, the stock is up 3 times. It generally reflects the growth of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is up, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is up. So as you can see, last October, the fund was trading at $10 per fund. And now today it is trading at $32 per share. So Grayscale Bitcoin is just a proxy on Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, but you don't want to buy Bitcoin, here's a way you can get into it. Ticker symbol GBTC, okay? They also do ETH if you're into that. Grayscale has a ETH product. So let's take a quick look, ETH. ETH. Yeah, so if you're into Ethereum, pretty much Grayscale has a product. It's called ETH. Let's see. They mention it here. Okay, I have to look that up, but there is an ETH Ethereum. So if you're into Ethereum as well, let's see, Ethereum. Okay, so again, if you're into Ethereum and you want some exposure to Ethereum through Grayscale, again, their ticker symbol was ETH. And last year, this ticker fund was trading at about $5, and today is trading at $26. So again, either one, GBTC if you want exposure to Bitcoin, and if you want exposure to Ethereum, ticker symbol is ETHE. And like I said, last October was trading at 534, and today is trading at 2662. So that is Ethereum. Now, we do know with any of the cryptocurrencies, whether it's Ethereum or Bitcoin, it is very volatile. And if you look at the chart, it's rarely rough riding. So if you don't like a lot of risk, hey, you might want to stay away from either Ethereum fund or the Bitcoin fund. Okay. All right. So back to my top stocks. This morning, ticker symbol BLDE or Blade. This is a SPAC play, so very risky. you might want to wait if this stock can get out of the 10s or 12s or at least $15 per share and actually has some really good news. I would buy more into this, but it's really risky. What else is NNDM or Nano Dimensions? This stock was hot earlier this year. I'm not sure the direction the company is going. In fact, look like this company has lost me over 36% of my position. So I may be exiting NNDM. That's a note, you know, sometimes you want to put what they call a stop loss on a stock if it falls below a certain amount, especially 36%. But NNDM is up on the morning, 2.69%. See, fuel cell, ticker symbol FCEL is up this morning, 1.52%. UP or Wheels Up, another private air mobility stock, is up 1% this morning. And Cleveland Cliffs, ticker symbol CLF, is up 1.15%. Remember, we still have the infrastructure bill. If it can get signed, the country has a lot more to worry about right now, the debt ceiling. So right now, Congress is dealing with the debt ceiling. Biden and the Democrats want 3.5 trillion. The conservatives and Republicans want a 1 trillion bill signed to get the infrastructure bill passed or get it started. So they're fiercely battling. But, you know, in that infrastructure bill, they're going to be building a lot of roads and bridges, and Cleveland Cliffs does iron. So if you can wait for the long run, Cleveland Cliffs could be a good place to park your money. And then the last one we'll cover this morning is Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies is up early 1.22%. Again, this stock was as high as $28 per share earlier September. It has fallen a little bit, but the place I really like to enter Palantir is at $20 a share. It's a really good stock. It is data analytics, so they collect data. Also, they have contracts with the government, the Air Force, and then also they have some partners on the commercial side as well. So Palantir Technologies is up this morning 1.2%. Again, the lead stock of the morning, Virgin Galactic, is up 8%. It is my top stock. It is based off the FAA clearing this. If you don't know, the FAA is the Federal Aviation Administration. The Federal Aviation clears Virgin Galactic after completing its investigation of Branson's space flight on July 11th, which they detoured on the re-entry back into Earth's flying space. So again, this morning or starting yesterday, the stock jumped after hours 10%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and leave your comments below.